Hi, my dear friends and students. So today I will discuss, and it's a important in grammatical word preposition. So let's see parts of speech. Which we know that there are eight kinds of parts of speech, but preposition is one of them, and the preposition must be helpful parts of speech, and it's develop your speaking skill and also help to reach our sentence making sentence, develop your sentence, etc., etc. So let's see uh, parts of speech. The word preposition indicates positioning something before something else and in English grammar. If I want to give you a short definition of preposition, which is preposition basically it's stands the before noun and pronouns. So let's see some of them. Pronouns. We know everybody know the pronouns and nouns, and it's so let's see some of the preposition: for, of, on, at, into, of, by, up, with, from, into, within, like, until, above, about, against, under, before, after, among, along, across, around, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, down, during, except, inside, near, since, toward, through, and upon. So here we see all those are preposition, and if I show you some with zoom. So let's see all preposition, and if you want to see a role or functions of prepositioning in a sentence, a preposition site before a noun or a pronoun to show nouns or pronouns relationship to another word in the sentence. That's mean a sentence, their sentences maybe it's exist, there are many kinds of parts of speech. Maybe it's a adjective, maybe it's they have a nouns, it's have pronoun, it's have conjunction, etc., etc. But basically preposition helps you to uh, relation between a noun and pronoun, the before and after. So let's see. Here is looking for papers. If for is a preposition, but here papers is a noun. It's relates or it's establish a relation the noun papers before the gerund looking. Okay. Rifat lives in Dhaka. Here, Dhaka is noun, but in is a preposition. It makes a relationship between noun Dhaka to lives. Okay. So I hope everyone understand what I say. And here is it's very simple. So how can you apply in your speaking? How can you apply your conversation with each other, your friends, your neighbors, yesterday, your family, and your teacher? Even you can speak your own self to stand out in front of mirror. Whenever you have to feel that I want to speak, I want to say, just you have to own satisfaction, you have to own passionate, you have to one wish, and very strong mentality to I want to say never give up, because every task, every work, every sphere of your life, every situation you have to try. Just not the think that it's a language, none other than it's a uh, another something. So you should start by him. So him is a pronoun and by is a preposition. It's relates, it related him by start. Okay. Preposition, now see preposition of how many kinds of preposition. Let's say now we will see how many kinds of preposition. There are five kinds of preposition. Simple preposition, it's such a simple one word, like there is no multiple word, it's a simple one word, that in, at, by, for, of, for, on, over, under, up to, from, out, about, under, with, etc. So this preposition are all simple preposition. There is an on word indicates. So you have to remember and you have to apply in your speaking, and one by one, that is spiritually when you feel the guilty. And never definitely some of the unconscious people smile or laugh without any reason when you speak with them, but don't stop, because always some people in our society, there are different kinds of people. You cannot keep all these people mind together. You can just carry on, because your career, your part, so you just focus on your own tongue. Okay. So he goes to school those are all simple preposition. Let's see double preposition. Double preposition, those are sentences are two simple preposition connect with one point. In and to, the together, into, one, to, within, without, from, among, toward, behind, etc. Those are same double preposition. If I give an example, he will be back within 3 days. Within 3 days, those are 3 days. So those are all the objects. He is, which is situated in object, and those are indicates uh, a preposition within. Okay, so another preposition part of compound or phrasal or complex preposition. Compound or phrasal or complex preposition. In the book market, you can find or you can see a lot of books of preposition, but you have to uh, think that how many book in the market, how which book best for me. I suggest you don't never find out a book, just try yourself, try your best, that today I have to learn minimum 20 preposition word, and then keep it in your mind and set up your brain, and apply in your speaking. Right, whenever you get a person, whenever you get even you can speak on yourself, that doesn't matter, just you have to because your purpose is you have to know learn, have to. Okay, so let's see some of the compound or phrasal or complex preposition. Those are instead of, in front of, in between, out of, in behalf of, in place of, in, except for, throughout, underneath, on account of, according to. Those are all compound or phrasal or complex preposition. Those are let's see their apply. Rahat is talking in behalf of this of his team. Musfiq is playing in place of Russell. They carried on rescue mission in spite of bad weather. Haha, GPA is 3.5 out of 4. So those are all the compound preposition. In here we can see in is playing, in, playing off, in, play, plays off, there another is in spite of. Those are all compound preposition. So you have to remember that instead of, and another most important is, which is every preposition have a meaning, and you have to keep in your mind. There is no doubt, without meaning you cannot apply in your words, in your speaking, because if you understand the meaning of the preposition, every word you can apply them properly. So I hope understand what I say. Just you have to remember, and even you can, whenever you see my in my class and which word I say, if you want to know the meaning of all preposition, just hit me a comment box and know what do you want. Okay, so let's see another preposition, parts of preposition. Participle preposition. So participle preposition indicates present or past participle. It can be used as preposition. So present and past participle can be used as a preposition, such as concerning, regarding, considering, pending, etc. So what does he know regarding this proposal? Regarding, so considering the quality, the price is not high. Considering the quality, the price is not high. There's are called participle preposition. So another is considering the quality. Okay, and the following are the specific area to use preposition. Which category or which area do you apply preposition? So here we will say a box, and we clearly see that a preposition of places, position, and direction: in, at, on, by, next to, beside. In the room, it's mean in some of the enter side. In, it's mean some of the enter side. I just expressing on some of the word meaning, but if you want to more all the preposition meaning, I will explain one by one. Just no me. At the window, at the office, it indicates that places, indicates the places, indicated the site of the place, if the opposition of a place. One, it's mean the some of the up on or over is some of the table, like in the table upon a pen, the duster upon it, the duster upon on the table, the duster on the table, the pen on the table, etc, etc. By, sitting by the omen, it's means the side, just light of by side, sitting by the omen. Above is the like the above, it's the upper cases, etc. You have the upper if you had, it mean to go to university. Two preposition, basically most of the time we two preposition use, and it indicates this one of the side, you have to focus on the direction. It also means that your direction gives a direction. Towards also, towards also a direction means east, towards it's from, basically it means where someone the place, from the some of the place means the where are you from, that's so it indicates, so where you are you from, that means you come, it indicates your coming position. No, or into, it's a complete preposition, jumped into, where jumped into, it indicates that's mean into, well, into the some of the step in, and to into, it's a two stepper chorus. Okay, so today no more, no more today. I will discuss next topic next class. Thank you, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.